sa hindi inaasam. Pagtatagpo ng mga ay minsan lang na nagkanto. Damang-dama na ang hubong ito. Di pa ba sapat ang sakit at nalingin o ipararasan? Di man yung bunyakan Hi guys! Good evening and I'm back with a new vlog. And ayun. So, we're from the party and it's a 50th birthday of Tita Muye, our family friend from Canada, and she spent her birthday here in Abu Dhabi. So ayun, so medyo pagod kami, pagoda much kami kasi kami yung host ng party niya. So, medyo abala kami. And, ayun. Andito lang kami, stay lang kami, nag-check-in kami. So, para after nung party, dumiretso na kami dito. And sila tomorrow, they will enjoy. Susulitin nila yung check-in kasi magsiswimming sila. So, ako, sad to say, meron akong pasok tomorrow. Even it's Saturday. And we're here at our room. Kakatapos namin magkantaan ito, ginamit namin tong, anong tawag dito, pe? Yung parang, wireless karaoke mic. Yung bago ngayon. So, ayun. So, meron kaming kakantahin mamaya. So, itatry lang namin. Testing lang.
Tatay ako.
Ito pala yung yung mga pinsan ko kasama ko dito sa, sa room. Liam, come! Liam, come here. And my nephew is here also.
Hello.
Hey, say hello everyone. Ayan.
I'm writing to a mama.
What?
My mama.
Come on, tell them what happened tonight.
I cut my hair because I always cut my hair.
You always, yeah, you know, it's so sad because
Yes.
he has a tail before. Sobrang habang kang dito yon. So, ginupit na. So sad. We miss your tail na
Only
Liam.
like smaller like
And
this.
now, you're so pogi na lalo. Tapos, siguro tataba na siya kasi nakakuha na yung tail niya. Oh my God! At, ayun.
Bye-bye.
Nabagsak yung aking phone. Ayun, dito lang kami sa room. Pagod na kami. Balak nilang mag-bar pa. Meron kasi ditong live band sa hotel. So, hindi ko alam kung pupunta pa. Pero medyo pagoda na nga kami. Nagbihis na ako, nagpalit na ako. Kanina nakadress pa ako.
Let's hide there because of mama.
Ay, nag-enjoy naman kami sa birthday ni Tita Boy. And happy naman siya.
Ow!
Again.
Ayun.
Hide!
Masaya naman, nagpalaro
Kiss me
kami.
again.
Gift giving.
Liam.
Ayun.
Liam. Liam.
So, what are we going to do, Liam? Tonight?
I'm going to home and then there she again.
What?
And then there you can and then there brings dead. And you go home and later we go here and flip. And we go there, no, we buy a cake up and
You know,
cake.
wala na intindihan ng viewers. Ayun, guys. So, ito na. I'm going to say good night na. Kasi medyo antok na kami. So, I'm gonna sign off
Okay, kiss me.
for now. Sa vlog ko. So, i-end ko na muna tong vlog.
Not like that.
Medyo antok na. So, matutulog na kami, guys. Good night and hope you enjoy my video.
It's so funny.
Say good night mo na, Liam.
Good night.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Love you daw. So, ayun. Bye-bye.